Hello everyone and welcome to my latest Artistly tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create slanted text in the Advanced AI Image Designer. It's not hard to do, but you just have to know what the trick is. So once you're in the Create Design, you're going to go into Advanced AI Image Designer. And I'm going to open up another tab here because I already have the image that I want to use loaded to save a little time. So this is just an image that I found in the templates. So I brought it in and I expanded it. And it used to say, sorry, we're closed today. But I wanted to say open instead. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can put the word open here and then how to slant it so that it looks more natural. Because if you just bring in the word, it's not going to kind of match the background in the angle of the background. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. So the first thing you want to do is you want to bring in your text. So I'm going to bring in a heading. Now all I want to do is just put the word open. And I'm just going to shrink this down so it matches the size. Next thing I want to do is I want to change the font because I want it to look like it's handwritten. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to pick the Architect's Daughter, so that it looks like it's handwritten. Okay, so now I also want to expand it to make it a little larger, but I want to show you something. If you look here, it doesn't really match the angle of this chalkboard that's here. And that's what I'm going to show you how to do. I'm going to show you how you can slant this to make it look more natural on this board. So if you notice, when you click on text, or other objects for that matter, you get these handles around here. And the handles let you do different things. You can tilt it, you can expand it, you can stretch it if needed. You can pull it like this. And that's great, but there's no feature to actually slant this text. And if you hit your shift key and you mouse over it, you'll see it doesn't really do what you want it to do. You can't slant it up and down. You can do left right, which is great, but the up and down seems to be missing. So you can't do it that way. So to get around that, it's pretty easy. All you have to do is just come back over here to the text box and just add another box to it. Now what you do is you just select the two of them. Now you're going to see your handle over here. Now it lets you slant the text this way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it up here and I want to match it to this more or less. I'm going to move it back down again. I'm going to delete this one. So now you can see that the N is actually higher than the O, and it kind of matches more the shape of this chalkboard that's here. So it's as easy as that. All you have to do is take your original one, bring in another one like this. Select both of them by hitting the shift key. Now you've got both selected and actually creates kind of a group effect here. Once you have that, now all you do is just hit your shift key, and when you mouse over this handle that's here on the right, it'll allow you to pull your text up and down so you can slant it however you want. So I could have slanted it even more if I wanted, like this. Then you just click on the second one, you just hit delete, and there you have it. Now you've got text that's slanted the way that you want it. It's pretty easy to do. There's not, it's not more complicated than that. If you like this video, if you learned something, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. It really helps out my channel, and it gives me an incentive to create more of these. Here's one more trick that I discovered while creating this video. If you remember during the video, I showed you how to do something with this handle here on the right. And you notice if you drag the handle to the right, it has really no effect on the text. But if you drag the up and down one, it stretches. So I wanted to see if I could do the same thing. So I tried the shift key and that didn't really do anything. So I figured, let's try the same trick I did for the other one. So I added one more piece of text, selected the both of them, and now when you come over here to the handle on the right, you see that you can stretch it and shrink it. And you don't even have to hit the shift key. All you have to do is just grab the handle that once you have both of them selected. If you try doing it with just one, nothing happens. But if you select the both of them, now you have the ability to stretch and shrink the text as needed. So there you go. You get a little extra bonus feature in this tutorial at no extra charge. Once again, don't forget to like and subscribe.